Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video we're gonna learn or discover how to do another simple tangency drawing. It's much simpler than the previous upload, and we are continuing our tangency series, so stick around until the end. Right, so we would have had an opportunity to view the finished drawing, so let's see how we got there. We'll begin with our first circle. It's our biggest circle. It's a radius of 10. And our second circle is right within it, has a radius of 6. What we're going to do next is from the center base point, we're going to draw our baseline, which is 57 millimeters. And this will take us to the base of our second set of circles. So the larger of the two has a radius of 8. So what I did was I drew a vertical line, and where this vertical line ends will be the center of the circle, as you can see here. And within the radius 8 circle we have a circle of radius 4. Good. We're doing well so far. Now we have a major arc to draw. Alright, we have a major arc to draw and its radius is 52. So how are we going to get this? We're simply going to go from the center of the first set of circles we drew. We're going to subtract 52 from the radius of our circle, which was 10. So we draw an arc of radius 42. And we're going to do the same thing over here. 52 minus 8 leaves a radius of 44. Now where these two arcs intersect is the center of our desired arc. So you'll see me drawing it now, radius 52. And you will notice that the arc is tangential to both circles. Yeah, to the radius 10 circle and the radius 8 circle. I'm just gonna trim the ends of my arc a bit just to make it neater. And the next thing I'm gonna do is pretty much change my layers to my outline layer. And that's it. That's the finished product. It's very simple. I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we do have more tangency drawings coming up. So this is it without the construction lines. Right? So this is the finished product without the construction lines. And let's just dimension it for the sake of it, just to show that everything is indeed correct. So you can see, wait, let me just turn this back on. Alright, great. So you can see that the radius of our outer circle is indeed 52, and the larger circle is 10. And we have 6 inside. We have 8 and 4. And the distance of the baseline from the centers of both circles. Wait, let's do that again. Right, there you go. And this is indeed 57. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, ring the bell, everything. Stay tuned for more.